When I was a child, Christmas was real. You would not believe the excitement I feel to see the tree up and the lights all aglow. I could hardly contain myself, don't you know? For Christmas morning under the tree, that's what Christmas meant to me.
I was a young man that time of the year. We made every party, we drank lots of beer. We sang out our best song so loud and so clear. We were so wild and so free, living our best memories. That's what Christmas meant to me. That's what Christmas meant to me.
When I reached midlife, myself and my wife, it was all about our family. We'd all come together where two didn't matter. It was great for the old eyes to see. The kids were all playing, the adults were all swaying to songs that were sang just off key. That's what Christmas meant to me. That's what Christmas meant to me.
As I get older and time slips away, seems Christmas flies by oh so fast. It amazes me how, as a grandfather now, when I tell my grandkids about the past, I see in their eyes their future so bright, with wonders of life's mysteries. That's what Christmas means to me. That's what Christmas means to me.
There's more to the joy than that brand new toy.
It's more than what's under the tree.
It's the good times we share with those we hold dear,
forever in our memories. That's what Christmas meant to me. That's what Christmas meant